If you want to open a PDF document these days, the first solution that comes to mind is the web browsers, most of which now have an inbuilt PDF reader. For Windows 10 and 11, there are already tons of options if you want to download PDF viewer apps. But what are the ones you should go for? So, we've compiled a list of the 5 best PDF readers for Windows PCs. Adobe Reader for Windows provides different reading modes: text highlighting, adding notes, filling forms, digital signatures, add stamps, etc. Adobe's free PDF Reader for Windows also supports a tab view, which means that you can open multiple PDF files simultaneously. It's also the best PDF reader for large files that some lightweight programs are unable to process fully. Sumitra PDF is an open-source and lightweight PDF reader software that you can install and use on your Windows computer. Licensed under GPL v3 license, Sumitra PDF supports formats other than PDF as well, including the likes of EPUB, MOBI, FB2, CHM, XPS, and DJVU. Sumitra PDF is an open-source and lightweight PDF reader software that you can install and use on your Windows computer. Licensed under GPL v3 license, Sumitra PDF supports formats other than PDF as well, including the likes of EPUB, MOBI, FB2, CHM, XPS, and DJVU. Another free-to-use the software you can find is the Expert PDF Reader, which is developed by VisageSoft. In terms of look and feel, it will give you the feels of old MS Office apps. But the fact that it's great at doing its job makes Expert PDF Reader an option worth considering. Nitro Reader is another famous name in the world of Office and productivity software. I personally like this free PDF document reader as it tries to strike the perfect balance between usability and features. Apart from all the basic features, Nitro Reader also comes with a handy quick sign feature that makes digitally signing documents a simple task. You can also secure your documents and make sure that they are opened by the people who've received a digital certificate from you. So, go for Nitro Reader if you wish to use a no-nonsense PDF reader for Windows that also has a beautiful UI. If you're looking for a robust and free PDF reader for Windows 10, 11 or older versions of Microsoft Windows, your search might end with Foxit Reader. A while ago, Foxit also introduced its new online connected PDF document management system. Its text viewer mode removes complex formatting and displays a plain notepad-like view of the file. The collaboration features further improve your PDF experience by letting you work online and share it with others. It's an advanced software for reading PDF files, and it comes with all the necessary features. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.